This is a quick video on replacing the hood struts on a 2010 to 2015 RX350. This model is a 2010. The quick way to do it is grab a needle nose plier like this. These are only held in with by a ball joint type of mechanism. So wedge in your pliers and then just pop it back. You need to use two hands. I'm gonna have to set this right here. And then for this one, you'll see a little groove in there. Stick a screwdriver in here and loosen that. Once you loosen that, this should just pop off. Make sure you have something supporting the hood. Now to get this. So this is just held onto that little ball. Same with this upper one. Unpackage the new one. Fit the ball into the little circle. You might need a large screwdriver or a small prying bar. Stick it in here and just give it just a little force, and it should go on. There, it's on there. Then you raise the upper one, twist it to lift the the hood a little bit, and just pop it on there. That's it. Camera's tripping. Now just test it out. Like new. Thanks for watching.